right now your site is live, but it's on a temporary Bluehost URL. Let's fix that. In our WordPress admin panel, go to the upper left and click Bluehost. Then in the upper right, click Hosting Panel. If it's been a while since you were on this page, you may need to log back in. And from your hosting panel, you'll go to Websites on the left, and then you should see that your website is using a temporary domain. If you have a domain already from an external domain registrar, you can simply click Connect Domain and follow the prompts to connect it. If you don't have one yet, click Purchase Domain. Next, search for your desired domain. For my site, I'll search for The Maryland Movers and hit search. And here you can see that themarylandmovers.com is available. When you find a domain you like, go ahead and click Continue. And here it takes you to the checkout page where it might already have your billing information pre-populated, reusing the same information you used to pay for hosting. In the upper left, they recommend an add-on, the Google Workspace for $350 a month. Adding a professional email onto your domain is a great way to make your site and email look way more professional. That said, I don't need it for this particular site, so I'll skip that. Now you may remember from earlier in the video, I said that if you pay for at least 12 months, you get a free domain. And here you can see they've added on themarylandmovers.online as a free domain that I get in addition to themarylandmovers.com. And they've included domain privacy and protection for both. All that's left to do is check out. We'll scroll down, I'll toggle off this box for special offers and content, and then click Submit Payment. After that, you'll get a confirmation saying the order is complete, and you can click to go back to your account. From there, you still need to actually connect your domain to your website. So go back to Websites on the left menu, click Connect Domain, and then you'll see a list of domains that are eligible to be connected to your website. I'll go ahead and select themarylandmovers.com and click Connect to Website on the right side. This process can take a few minutes, so just be patient. When it's done, you'll get a confirmation message, and you'll see near the bottom of the page that your domain is almost ready. You need to complete the connection details to finalize the domain connection. To do this, simply click Finish Connection. Then on the next page that says Connect Your Domain, scroll down and click Save Changes. And there we go. If we go to our domain in a new tab, there's our website, live and on the internet. And if you want to see what this looks like to people publicly, not to people who are logged into WordPress, you can click the profile at the upper right and then click Log Out. And there it is. Now, you may notice that the domain doesn't show up in the top bar yet, and that's okay. Domain propagation can take up to 72 hours, but it usually happens much quicker. Essentially, there's a bunch of servers all over the world that need to be updated to point to this website when somebody types your domain into their address bar. And that process can take a little while. So just be patient if it doesn't show up right away.